Hello everyone, welcome to Glims Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can create monthly production report for the limited company in MS Excel. So before going to watch the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the more exciting videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open MS Excel and then just select these columns from A to L. Okay, so now we need more columns for starting of date. Then select and click on the merge and center. Then we need seven more columns for our end date, and now we need two more and five more, and just click on and merge them. Now select all the columns and just put the size 22 and click on the border tab and then all border here. Now we just go over here, then click here, then just type monthly production report. Now select all text and then just bold it from here and color it. Okay, now just select all these columns from here and click on the format, then column width, and type here 4.43 and click on OK. So you can see the size of columns almost good. Okay, now click on the sheet number 2 here plus icon and type here months, and on the second row just type the month's name and little bit slidey here from here. And now you can see all the months here. Now go to formula tab, then define name and just type here months. Okay, click on then again and just click on the data and data validation, and from here you have to select list. Now just type the name here months and click on OK. Now you can see all the months are here. Okay, so now we need the starting date. Okay, just type here equal to then date value and start to break it. Okay, now hold the shift key and double quotation, one double quotation, and select the source file. Okay, now go to home tab, and here you can find the date that you want. Okay, I'm just selecting the date format over here. You can see the date format is here, but I want another one. Just click on here and go to custom and select this one, date, month, year, and click on OK. Okay, now we need the end date. Just type here equal to EO month. Okay, start your bracket now. Okay, type here, select your source here, and comma 0 down. You can see same format. Just copy your format here and just paste it. Now we have to check either it's working or not. Okay, it's working good. Now select your March. Okay, it's working very nicely. Okay, so now we have to type some data over here, but before I'm just typing here department. Okay, just double tap over here, or you can adjust the size of this row. Okay, it's now adjusted. Okay, I'm just typing this data over here. Just copy this data and paste it over here. Okay, just select this all data here and click on the all border and bold it. Okay, now we have to just bold it. Just select the text right from here and choose the color that you want. Okay, now I need just here 1 2 3. Okay, just type equal to and select the source starting date actually, and press enter. Now you can see the date format is here, and right click on this date, go to format cell, then custom, just type here D and click OK. Now you can see we just got this one over here. Okay, just select it all the table and then align it and then center it. Just type here equal to if and bracket start, then click the source that is 1 and less than, and click on the end date. Now select this one and press the F4 key from your keyboard and type comma over here, then again click on the source file, then plus, then 1, then comma, double quotation, start, double quotation, end, then break it, then enter. Now you can see okay, now you can see just this format is here. Now click the same format cell, column, and again type here D and OK. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, just select this 2 from here and slide it. Now you will see all the dates. Okay, it's working nicely. Now we have to check it. Okay, it's changing very nicely. So it means it's working very well. Now we need the text formula here. Just type equal to text, then start your bracket and click on our source file. Then just put a comma over here. Then double quotation and type here triple D, then double quotation and then break it and press the enter button. Now you can see, we can see here that it's Friday on 1st January 2021. Now just select. Okay, that's done very well. Okay, now click conditional formatting and then click on this text that contains and type here Sunday, and now you can see our Sunday is a little bit reddish. Okay, I am going to just okay, I'm going to just put other colors on Monday. So I am selecting here green, fill with dark green and type here Monday and click on OK. So now you can see the same. Okay, I am repeating the process over here for Tuesday, but I am typing yellow color over here and click on OK. So now you can customize your own color. That's your own choice. Now let me check either it's working or not. Okay, you can see. Okay, from here I have to check the date. Okay, it's working very nicely. Friday 1, Saturday 2 and Saturday 2. So it means it's working very nicely. If you need this one hold the sheet, then you can just comment on this video. Okay, I'm just going to fill a little bit color here. Now repeat the same process over here, and I'm selecting this color. Okay, here now we need another column for the total result. Okay, I'm just typing here total and select it, all the text, and go to home and same repeat, align it in center, select the whole text and click on the bold, then color it as you want. I am just coloring it. Okay, a little bit bold. Now we need the result of all the dates in sum form, and then I'm just going to put the sum formula over here, select all the columns, and then now just press the enter button. Okay, now you can see the result is 0 over here because we have no entries in our boxes. Okay, all border here, just board it a little bit. Okay, now we are going to check it, either it's working or not. I'm going to type some data over here. So we got 40 orders in Friday, and on Saturday we got 70. Sunday is holiday. Then again Monday 90 and 678. Now you can see the result is 878. So it means it's working very well. Click on the January tape. Okay, now we are going to rename this sheet. Just right click over it and right click on it and rename it and create. So now you can see we have just made a copy over here. Okay, here it's our February data. So right click on it, rename it as a February. Delete all this data because we are going to fill here February data. Then it's done. So just save it. Thanks for watching the video.